Hello students, today we will start with binary operation. Binary operation. As it seems from this word binary, bi means two. So binary operation, if there is a non-empty set A then star such that A cross A to A is called binary operation. Binary operation. That means it is operation on operation. It is represented by star or del or not, or sometime with other signs it may also be represented. So what is binary operation? In this operation, the Cartesian product of any set with itself is associated with itself. Suppose we are having a set A which is non-empty set, then the Cartesian product of that set, it will be also a set. It is associated with set A. This is known as binary operation. So when we connect the elements of Cartesian product of any set with itself to set A, then it is called a binary operation. Now, properties of this binary operation. Properties. First is closure property. Closure property. If A belongs to set A and star be any binary operation, it is closed if A star A belongs to A. Binary operation is said to be closed or it is defined if A star A belongs to A. Second, commutative property. Commutative property, as we have studied this in our earlier classes, 6th onwards, commutative means when we change the order. So, for all A, B belongs to A, if A star B is equal to B star A, then it is commutative. That means either we do the binary operation of first element with second or second element with first. The resultant remains same. Then this operation is known as commutative operation. Third, associative property. For all A, B, C belongs to A, if A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, then it is associative. Suppose we are having three elements A, B, C. When we will take the binary operation of A with B, then the binary operation of A and B is operated with C, and if resultant is equal to when we operate B with C, and then the operated value of B and C is again operated with A, and the resultant remains same, then it is said to be associative. Third, also here we can see if AB belongs to A and A star B belongs to A. That means instead of A we can write here AB, two elements. So if AB belongs to A and star B binary operation, it is closed if A star B belongs to A. Next is distributive property. Distributive property. If star and not empty circle are binary operation, binary operations, and for all A, B, C belongs to A star B not C is equal to A star B not A star C, then it is said to be distributive. We use these all three laws we have used it in our junior classes also. So in distributive property, we used to write as x into y plus z. This is equal to xy plus xz. That means similar way, if star and not are two binary operations and we operate the element A with B not C, then it would be equal to A star B not A star C. So fifth property is identity element, existence of identity element. Identity element. Identity element. What is identity element? Which has a unique property, any element which has unique property that if it is operated with any number, then we will get the same number. So, for all A belongs to A, if A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A, then E is the identity element. E is the identity element. We can see that, suppose with respect to multiplication operation, what is identity element? We used to say 1 is identity element. Why? Because 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 1 is 5, 1 into 5 is 5. That means if we operate 1 with any number, then always we will get the same number if the operation is multiplication. And this is with respect to multiplication. And with respect to addition, what is the element? With respect to addition. Addition. What is the identity element with respect to addition? 0. 0 is the identity element because 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, and so on. So we can say that for all A belongs to A, if A is operated with E and that is equal to again the same element and E operated with A, then E is the identity element. Next is sixth one, existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. For all A belongs to A, if there exists B belongs to A such that A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A, then A inverse is equal to B. So what that states? For all A belongs to A, if there exists B belongs to A, in the same set if there is another element B such that if we operate A with B and we will get the identity element, and also we operate B with A or A with B, we are getting identity element, then A inverse is equal to B. That means inverse of A exists and that would be equal to V. So what we have done till now, that what is binary operation? That means when we will do the mapping of A cross A, Cartesian product of any set with the set, then that type of operation is known as binary operation, and it may be represented by star, not, del. And then we have done all the properties of binary operation. First property is closure property. What's the closure property? If AB belongs to A, and in the closure property we have seen if AB belongs to A and A star B, means agar दो element, these two elements, they are belonging to a set, non-empty set A, and A star B also belongs to A, then it is said to be closed. Then commutative, A star B is equal to B star A. Associative, in associative we are having three elements, and then existence of identity, existence of inverse, and distributive property. We will do some problems based on binary operation. So first is determine whether the definition of star given below gives a binary operation. If it is not, then give the justification. So it is closed if AB belongs to A and A star B belongs to A. We have seen it is defined then. So first part, on Z plus define star A star B is equal to A minus B for all AB belongs to Z plus. Z plus means positive integers. So let A is equal to, for example, 6, B is equal to 4. Therefore, what is A star B? This is equal to 6 minus 4. So that is equal to 2, and 2 belongs to Z plus. Alright. And if A is equal to, suppose we are taking A as 2, B as 5. Therefore, A star B, what would be A star B? That is A minus B. So 2 minus 5. So that is equal to minus 3, which does not belongs to Z plus. So what is operation of operation, an operation which is it will be binary if A, B belongs to A and A star B belongs to A. We have seen in the closure property that if we are having two elements A and B and A star B is again belonging to the given set, then it will be defined and then it will be closed. So we have seen here that A star B is equal to 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, which is not belonging to Z plus positive integers. Therefore, this operation, this binary operation is not defined. Is not defined. Now we'll see fifth part of this problem. AB belongs to Z plus. That means A and B both are positive integers. Now see, A star B is equal to A. This implies A belongs to Z plus. We can take any element in such a way. Suppose, as earlier we have seen, suppose we are taking A as 4 and B as 1. Then what would be? 4 into 1 is equal to 4. We can take. If we are getting the same element, and already we have seen that A and B are belonging to Z plus. So obviously A will belong to Z plus. Therefore, it is binary operation. It is binary operation because this is satisfying the condition that if AB belongs to given set and A star B is again belonging to the given set, then this is known as binary operation. So we have done it now. Next problem, consider the binary operation cap on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by A cap B is minimum of AB. In both the number, what is minimum value? Write the operation table of the operation cap. So, solution. We are having 5 values. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is cap? A cap B. A cap B. That is min of AB. We have to take the minimum of AB. So 1, 1. What is the minimum of 1 and 1? 1. 1 and 2? 1. 1 and 3? 1. 1 and 4? 1. 1 and 5? 1. That means operation, binary operation cap is relating A and B in such a way that minimum of both. So minimum means less value. So now 2, 2, minimum value is 2, 2, 3, here 2, 1. This is 2 and 1. So 1, 2 and 2, 2, 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 4, 2, 2 and 5, 2. Then again 3 and 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. See? 4, we are operating 4 with 4, the minimum value is 4. 4 with 3, the minimum value is 3. 4 with 2, the minimum value is 2. 4 with 1, the minimum value is 1. Similar way, 5 and 1, minimum value is 1. 5 and 2, minimum value is 2. 5 and 3, minimum value is 3. 5 and 4, minimum value is 4. 5 and 5, minimum value is 5. So this is the required operation table for the binary operation CAD. So we have seen here that what is binary operation? If Cartesian product of two sets is related with the given set, then it is a binary operation. And we have seen the all properties, that is closure property, especially the closure property. In the closure property, we have done these two problems, that if A and B belongs to A and A star B belongs to A, then the operation is said to be closed. That means it is defined. So this is all about binary operation. Thank you.